Hey guys, welcome back to the Barndo channel. This is Charlie Downs with 1845 Barndominiums. We're outside of Harleton, Texas today to give you guys a completed tour of a modified Laredo floor plan. This house is 3 bedrooms, 2.5 bath. It's a little over 2,500 square foot. It's got big open living and kitchen area. You're gonna see this is one of the largest open areas that we've had on a Laredo layout. Big master suite, and then we've got 2 bedrooms on the other side of this layout with a Jack and Jill bathroom. On the outside, you see we've got charcoal exterior with a black roof, and then we've matched that up with black trim around. We also have black windows inside and out, and so all these colors really come together really well. We've got a gabled front porch, and then we've got a large back patio that's about 25 by, I believe it's 18 feet deep. So a big, large patio off the back that you'll see as we show you the panorama with our drone. So we're gonna head inside and show you the completed tour. This is a really beautiful Barndominium. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, go ahead and do that now. We would love to hear from you in the question or comment area below. If you are looking for us on social media, we have Instagram, TikTok, and Facebook. Those are 1845 Barndominiums. And of course, our website. If you are looking to get the process started for making your dream home a reality with 1845 Barndominiums, you can go to our website and submit some information to us. One of our sales team members would be happy to get in touch with you and talk about how to get that process started. So let's head inside and take a tour here of the modified Laredo Barndominium outside of Harleton, Texas. All right, guys, as we enter in the front door, we're gonna look at, again, we said this is a Laredo layout, and this is one of the largest living and kitchen areas I believe that we filmed for a Laredo. This one's about 30, 31 feet wide. A lot of bright color here. Got a fireplace there with our, in the living area. We do have butcher block countertops here. Now, before we get too far into this, just want to make sure you guys know, today is touch-up day on this particular house. We're pretty much done, but we do have a few things to come in and finish up. We've got a couple of doors that we still got to replace and put in. And then we've got some stain to put on. I believe these countertops may be stained. I know the mantle here on the fireplace is going to be stained, and I'm going to show you, if I can back up a little bit, you can see our wrapped beam here in the center. Our stain on the mantle is going to match the stain on that beam there. But we do have a good sized hearth for us to be able to sit on, and then transition directly over into the kitchen area. We've got a large island here that's about 8 by 4. And then we've got shaker style cabinetry. We've got cabinets on the top side. And then as we pan around here and show you, we've got drawers on the bottom side here. Custom designed, custom chosen by the homeowner. Got all granite countertops, and we've got a large walk-in pantry here. This is a corner pantry, but a ton of shelving space. And you can see floor to ceiling here. We've got a ton of space here left. We've got some extra shelving for the bottom if we needed it. But this is a huge space for dry goods and storage. Got a large farmhouse sink here that's undermounted, and an operable window, black on black windows throughout the house. Now I want to show you guys. So we've got dining area here, and then we're over into our living area, but I'm looking from the island over into the living area. I wanted to show you the microwave that they have here. It's pretty cool. There's your controls there. And then the microwave itself is a drawer that you slide out here. And so we built our cabinetry to fit that and suit that. And so you just flip that back in. So from the living area, I'm going to take you over to the 2-bedroom side. We've got an entryway here. And another thing, we've talked about this in other videos, you cannot see any of the bedrooms. We do have a Jack and Jill bath behind that wall there, but you can't see into any of the bedrooms from the living space. So if we head over here, we've got bedroom number 2. We've got twin window there. Again, you see the black on black, black exterior, black interior, 12-inch window seals. And then you can see through here, we've got our Jack and Jill bathroom. You can see all the way through into bedroom number 3. We're gonna walk through there in just a second. Got a lot of hanging and storage space in the closet. Not an oversized closet, but a good step-in closet with lots of storage. And I'm gonna take a second to show you guys, we've got 1x4 trim around the doors, 1x6 trim on the floors. You'll see throughout that we've got mitered edges there. We do have knockdown texture on the drywall. And as we head into the bathroom area here, we've still got to put some another mirror up there. We've got cultured marble and our countertops here with a, I don't know how well you can see it in the video, but it's got a little bit of a blue tint to the color there on the cabinetry, paint grade cabinetry. And then we've got another door that leads us over into the toilet room and shower. So if we step in here, you can see we've got a full-size linen cabinet there, lots of storage. Got some storage over the toilet. And then if we come around here, our shower bath combo in here is a full insert. So we don't have cultured marble surround there. They chose to go with the full fiberglass insert on this shower tub combo. So if we flow right over into bedroom number 3, both of these bedrooms over here are 12 by 12. Both have twin windows with 12-inch window seals. And then again, we have our closet here. Not as much storage space in here, but a lot of hanging. We've got uppers and lowers in here. But those are custom designed by the homeowner. They just tell us what they want in there, and we build it to suit, to fit what they need. So if we head over across the living room, and we'll come in, our last shot will be in the laundry mudroom over here where the half bath is. But we're gonna head over to the master wing. Now our master bedroom is 18 by 14. So a really big master. Instead of twin windows here, we decided to go with single windows in this room. And we do have, I didn't mention this earlier, but we do have, this is vinyl plank flooring that we have, courtesy of Holloway Carpet in Marshall. And we have a stained barn door to take us into the master bathroom. So in here we've got a shower here that we're going to talk about. That's a really big shower there. And then we've got freestanding tub there with window over the top. We do have a toilet room here with some cabinetry up top there. A lot of hanging space in this walk-in closet. So we've got shoe cubby on each side, but then a lot of upper and lower hanging inside the closet area there. Behind that closet door, we have another full-size linen cabinet. Now the color over here is a light green. We had blue on the other side of the floor plan. We've got light green on this one. And then if we look at the double vanities here, cultured marble there, double vanities, I'm sorry, with 3 mirrors. And then we've got our shaker style cabinetry on the bottom. A really nice feature is the shower that we have here. This is a 6 by 5 shower overall. We've got tile walls. We do have a rain head, shower head. We have a standard shower head, and we have a body sprayer in this shower. And then we've got built-in bench here in the corner. And I believe also we've got 2 shower niches that we put in here for storage. And we've got our pebble floor, so tile surround with a pebble floor with center drain. And then something that we like to do, we always ask customers if they would like for us to put the controls on one side or the other so that they don't have to be under the shower head. So here we put the controls here on the right as you walk in, so that you can just kind of step in here, turn the controls on, turn the water on, and then let it warm up, get to the temperature that's suitable, and then step in when you're ready. So we're going to head out of the master, take you back out, show you, this is going to be a really good view of the living and kitchen area. I didn't talk a lot about the dining space that we have here. Plenty of room for a farmhouse table or anything else that you'd like to put here, just about any size table you'd like to put in. Twin window there in the dining area. And this is a really, really cool custom French doors. You can see we don't have those knobs or handles put in yet. We do have some hardware to install today. Today is the last day. We're going to do our lockout, and then the homeowner is going to be moving in here. But I just wanted to show you the patio area. If I step outside. So we've got a large, I believe this is 25 feet long and 18 feet deep. We've got charcoal soffits out here with our wafer lighting. I love these little LED wafer lights. They're a lot more powerful than people think. So a lot of people think, well, that's not going to be enough. But when that sun goes down, those put off a lot of light. And we wired it with a fan out there as well. So I'm going to give you one more kind of panorama of this large open area. That's kind of the calling card of the Laredo layout, is the big open living area. And this one is huge. Again, 31 feet is how wide this is. So now we're going to kind of make our way out. I'm going to head over and show you. They have a designated, this is mud room here, and then we're going to go into the laundry area. So two different areas. So in the mud room, as they come in, we've got some cubbies there. And again, still got a few pieces to put in here on the shelving and things like that. So we've got a large, almost like a linen or pantry cabinet there. And then we've got our cubbies with hangers, some shoe storage on the top and bottom. And then we come in here and we have our half bath. So because we have the Jack and Jill on the other side of the floor plan, a lot of time that calls for having a half bath over here that your guests can use. So another little cool feature that we put in this one, I'm going to have to turn the light off to show you, is we put faucet with LED lighting in that one. Just kind of a cool custom feature that they wanted. So we do have a half bath over here for guests in the mud room. And then we head out. We've got an exit out here. We don't have a carport on this one as of right now. That may be something that we add later. We've got an area here for refrigerator or freezer if we need it. Got some cabinetry above that. And then we've got our butcher block countertops again here in the laundry room, and a lot of cabinet storage built in our laundry room here. And then this takes us out to the exit right here that would take us out to where a carport could be. Right now we've just got our pad extended out just in case we want to do that later. So that's going to complete our tour. Hope you guys enjoyed the look of this modified Laredo. All right, guys, that's going to wrap up our completed tour here in Harleton, Texas. Again, this is a modified Laredo floor plan, a little over 2,500 square foot, 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath. We had to put that half bath in there because the layout calls for a Jack and Jill bathroom for bedrooms 2 and 3. Big open living area in the middle. That's kind of the calling card of a Laredo layout. It's about 30 to 31 feet wide there, fireplace included in the living room. Again, the exterior colors are charcoal with black trim and a black roof. Just really turned out to be a beautiful build out here in Harleton. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, go ahead and do that now. We would love to hear from you in the question or comment area below. You can check us out on social media, Instagram, TikTok, Facebook. Those are 1845 Barndominiums. And if you or anybody else you know would like to talk about getting the process started for making your dream home a reality with 1845 Barndominiums, go visit our website, 1845barndominiums.com. Send us some information. Let us know what your project is going to entail. And then we would love to have one of our sales team members reach out to you and talk about how to get that process this started with 1845 Barndominiums. We're glad you joined us this week. We'll see you guys again next time.